Poboyspecial here. We have found some interesting results and some interesting characteristics of a product called Froglube. So we're going to put it to a torture test with our Glock here. We have 3 full magazines. Alright, we're going to just shoot it all up, see if we get any stovepipes, any failure to feeds, anything. We've Froglubed the weapon, we've Froglubed the magazines. So let's get to it. Let's see if it can handle it. Alright, torture test of Froglube. Here we go. First magazine. Second magazine. Third magazine. No failure to feeds. No malfunctions. So far it's good. Let's go to the cleanup, see what we can see. Alright, let's clean this. Here it is. Here's the Froglube. And as advertised, it says once you use it and use it over and over and over, that cleaning becomes less problematic. In other words, the cleaner it keeps it, the less dirt comes out. So we just shot 45 rounds through it. So, and not real fast, but fast enough, not real slow. So let's clean this puppy and see how clean it is or how dirty it is. And ooh, barrel's still warm from firing it, so I can tell you right away that this is a little bit slick to the touch. So we put it in the oven, we heated it like it says to do on the instructions, and kind of bake it in. So we're just taking this apart a little bit right here. And the first thing we'll do, here's our patches here, just so you can see. We're taking out several fresh, clean patches, so you can see how much dirt, if any or whatever, obviously there's going to be some, comes out. First thing we're going to do, the barrel, still a little bit warm, and it's still a little bit slick to the touch. So Froglube did stay on there. I'm going to rub it, and you can see me rubbing the barrel here. That's what came out. A little bit, not a whole lot. Not as dirty as I've seen it in the past. So far, right around this part right here where the chamber is, where the feed ramp goes into the chamber, gets real dirty. And well, there we go. You can definitely see the dirt now. So we did Froglube the barrel too. So I'm going to run patches down the barrel and see what comes out. Usually it's pretty black, like that. Now you can see dirt on that. So I don't know how we're going to get around that. So that did come out dirty, and I like to clean the ramp really good, because that's an important part. Alright, so I'm going to put this one, since we've already used it, away. We're going to just set it right here so you can see them not reusing it, getting a fresh clean one. Alright, let's take a look at the rails here and the frame, and let's run a clean patch down it and see what kind of dirt we get. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. Not a whole lot like we're used to seeing. So maybe this stuff really does keep out the nasties. We'll work it in here real good, and this is usually where we get a lot of build up and gunky stuff, and you can see, there we go right there. And also right here where the firing pin comes out, right there, I like to take that and clean that really good, because sometimes that stuff gets caked on in there and you really don't want that. So far this is what we've got. You can see the dirt. Alright, that's number 2. clean one. Alright, so we've done that. And let's take a look at these parts right here. Let's run a clean one through here. I usually get these little rails right here and back here. Usually has a lot of gunk in it. I usually cram myself. I'm going to get a little helpful tool here. I like to take my little eyelet that goes on the end of your rod and help me get into those little cracks and crevices that my nubby little fingers can't get to. So now we're working it in here like this, where the dirt usually gets. So here's number 3 in that part, and it's coming out a little dirty. So this is after 45 rounds. Alright, so there you go. Clean one, once again. Here's the part that I really wanted to see. Rod here. Alright, let's take that same eyelet that we just used, put it on the end of our rod here, our cleaning rod, and some people do it different ways. I take this clean patch here and fold it over, and then fold it over again, stick it to my eyelet like that. Let's run it through the barrel, and there's some fouling in the barrel. I don't know if we can see that or not. Yeah, there we go. See if I can steady that up. There we go. Alright, so there is dirt in there. So I'm just going to run this through here like this. And wow, it's not as bad as I thought. Not nearly as bad as I thought. I don't know if we can. Alright, so I'm running this through here again. And here's the patch. You saw me get a fresh, clean patch. I mean, that is not as black. I am very surprised. Usually that comes out pretty black because of all the powder that comes through the barrel. That is a heck of a lot cleaner than what I've been using. And what we've been using is the break-free CLP, which I've had very good success with for a long time and stuck with it. But I've never had a patch come out of the barrel that clean after 45 rounds. That was impressive. I mean, that was holy cow, wow. And I'm just going to double this over like this and get it a tighter and more compact. See if I can thread it through that eyelet. There we go. Make it a little bit smaller and a little bit tighter, and see if we can really get some of that stuff in that barrel. And it's still not coming out black. I mean, it is still not coming out as black as what I usually have. That's holy cow. Wow. That's impressive. I've never had anything like that. Froglube worked wonders on the barrel, on the inside of the barrel. That's impressive. So, we did not have any misfires. We did not have any misfeeds. We didn't have any complications, no problems, no stovepipes, no nothing. This was the extent of the dirtiness. 3 patches. That's from the barrel. I would have expected the barrel to be the darkest, but it was not. And that's, wow. I'm impressed. And like I said, I've never had that happen before. I've never had it come out that clean. So there you have it. Froglube did wonders on the barrel after 45 rounds. Impressive.